kind of result you get is directly affected with the kind of ads objective you use. In this video, I'm going to show you and explain the different kind of ads objective and when to use them. I'm also going to show you how to combine different kind of ads objective to make sure your Facebook ads is profitable. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Ayo, and on this channel I share practical marketing and sales tips that will help you make more sales and retain customers, and also share with you business resources that will help you grow your business. If this sounds like something good to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because every Friday I drop new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. It's always an honor to have you here. Please help me like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people. And please, if you know any business owner who would love to learn how to run a profitable Facebook ads, this is part 3 of the 8-part series of Facebook ads beginner guide. So please share this series to them. This will help them learn how to run a profitable Facebook ads even as a beginner. Let's get into the video. This is the Facebook Ads Manager. Don't worry about this, because in my next video I'm going to show you how to create a business manager and how to set up your Facebook Ads Manager. This is the point you get to when you want to run a brand new Facebook ad. So you come here and click on this green button called Create. Depending on when you are watching this video, Facebook just recently changed the interface of the campaign objectives. But don't worry, just come to find your objective and click to continue. This is good for beginners. I'm going to use this one to explain the different kind of ads objectives you need to know before you run your Facebook ads. Looking at these campaign objectives, you can see that divided into 3 categories. We have the awareness, we have the consideration, and we have the conversion. Don't worry, I'm going to explain every single of them. The first one here is awareness, and we have brand awareness. Now, if you hover over this icon, you'll see the meaning of the campaign objective. Now, according to Facebook, brand awareness is to show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. Show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. One thing I want you to have in mind about brand awareness, it is just you showing your ads to multiple people. It is best when you have large budget. That means you have money to spend and you are not looking for immediate results. You have money to spend and you are not looking for immediate results like sales. You can use brand awareness. Another thing you can use brand awareness for is for branding. If you have ever come across ads from Coca-Cola, from maybe your favorite bank, that is a great example of brand awareness ads. They are just used for branding, so have that in mind. The next one is reach. Show your ads to the maximum number of people. This one is slightly different from the brand awareness campaign. With the reach campaign, you are trying to show your ads to as much people as possible using a lower budget. You are trying to show your ads to as much people as possible using a lower budget. Again, one thing you should have in mind when you are trying to use a reach campaign, are you trying to run a long-term strategic campaign? Are you running your campaign for like 6, 7, 8, 10, even 12 months, 3 months? If that's what you're planning to do, make sure you use the reach campaign. But I don't advise you to use the reach campaign, because honestly, you're going to reach people using smaller budget, but the kind of people who reach might not be your target audience, might not be the people who are likely to buy from you. So don't consider it unless you're running a long-term strategy ad. The next category is consideration. Now, the first one is traffic. Send people to a website, app, or Facebook events, or let them call you. Traffic is just sending people to a particular destination. Let's say you have a blog post you want people to see, or you have a particular page on your website you want people to see. You are just getting traffic from Facebook and driving people to that page. Now, one thing you need to have in mind is that traffic might slightly be expensive because you are sending people off of the Facebook platform. So have that in mind. Engagement is when you want page likes, event responses, comments, and shares, post react. When you hit the promote button from your Facebook page, your campaign objective automatically becomes an engagement campaign objective. That is why a lot of business owners complain that they have used the boost option but they are not making sales. You are directly telling Facebook, I want page likes, I want comments, and I want shares. You're not telling Facebook you want sales. It all depends on how you set up your engagement ads and what you write on your engagement ad that will directly drive you sales. But when you use the boost option, you're automatically telling Facebook that, see, I want page likes, I want post react, comments, and shares. So please have that in mind. App installs. This is where you show your ads to people who are most likely to download and engage with your app. Let's say you have an app you want people to install and use on their phone, either on your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. This is the kind of ads objective you use. I've not tested this before, but people have used it and gotten good results. So if you have an app that you want people to install, this is the ads objective you use. And video views. With video views campaign, you are just showing people your video. Depending on the kind of content your video is, you might get shares, you might get likes, you might get comments, and you might likely get sales. But the video views ad campaign is just to show your videos to people and nothing more. The lead generation campaign is to collect people numbers, names, and emails on the Facebook platform. That means when you run a lead generation campaign, they are not leaving Facebook to give you their names and numbers. They are going to stay on the Facebook platform. One thing I want you to understand is that the kind of leads you get here might be low quality leads, so I don't recommend these. Messages. This is where you show your ads to people that allow them to engage with your Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram direct. If you don't have a website, this is one ads campaign objective I recommend so much. This is where you send people directly to your Messenger, either WhatsApp or your Facebook Messenger, or you send them directly to your DM on Instagram. This works so well if you are looking to generate sales and you don't have a website. So have that in mind. And I created a video on how to run WhatsApp ads. The thumbnail of that video is displayed on the screen. If you check the description of this video, the link is there. So please go and watch that video. I explain how to run WhatsApp ads on that video. Before we get to the last stage of the ads objective, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like this video and turn on the notification button. And please, if you have any questions so far, drop your question in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. Also, if you have used any of these ads objectives that I've mentioned here, I would love to know how your results were. Let me know in the comment section, please. Finally, let's look at conversion. Now, the first one is conversions. Show your ads to people who are most likely to take action, like buying something or calling from your website. There's something I want you to understand. For you to be able to run a conversion ad, you need to have Facebook Pixel installed on your website. Don't worry about this. This is a series and I'm going to show you how to install a Facebook Pixel on your website. The conversion ads campaign is you telling Facebook what you want to achieve with your Facebook ads. That's it. You're telling Facebook what you want to achieve with your Facebook ads. So if you are looking to get sales, please use the conversion ads objective. If you want to generate quality leads for your business, use the Facebook ads objective, which is conversions. Now, catalog sales. use your target audience to show people ads with items from your catalog. Inside the Facebook Ads Manager or Business Manager, we have something called the catalog, where you get to upload your product and services, or your product, especially people selling physical products. You upload them into your catalog. This particular ads objective is where you send people to your catalog to buy whatever you are selling. I've not tried out this objective before, but it works. As a beginner, I would advise you stay clear from it until you understand how this works. So please make sure you stay clear from it until you understand how it works. So now let's look at the final part of this video, which is different campaign combination you can use. Shortly before we get into this, if you're enjoying the video and if you have any questions about what we just covered about the campaign as objectives you can use, let me know in the comment section and I'll reply you immediately. And if you're enjoying the video, please help me like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people. Let's get into the final part. We're going to look at physical products and we're also going to look at digital products. If you're selling physical products, the first kind of campaign objectives you can combine is engagement and conversions. Firstly, you can run an engagement ad to generate interest about your product, validate the product you have, and also build an audience around your product. You can run this engagement ad for, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on the kind of budget you have. When running an engagement ad, you can likely get sales on the back end depending on how you structure your ad copy. After that, you switch to conversion ads. This will help you make more sales. The next kind of campaign objective, especially for e-commerce, is video views. You can first set up a video views ads demonstrating how your product works. And after that, when you've gotten a lot of views, you switch to conversion ads. You can also set up a retargeting ads targeting people who have watched maybe 50 or 60% of your video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to run a retargeting ad still in this series. So you want to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The next one is traffic and messenger. The first thing you want to do is to set up a traffic campaign, but send that traffic to your messenger, which is WhatsApp. Send the traffic to your messenger, which is WhatsApp. This is less expensive than setting up a messenger ads campaign. So have that in mind. Let's look at digital products. Digital products can be apps, can be softwares, it can be ebooks, it can be videos, it can be audios. The first one is brand awareness. You can set up a brand awareness campaign. Now, depending on what you are selling, people don't know you. They don't know who you are. They don't know, like, where do you come from to start selling someone an ebook. So the first thing you want to do is to set up an awareness ad. Just tell people about what you do. Let them get to know about you. And then after that, you switch to a conversion ad. Now, you can ignore the first part if you don't have a budget, but it's always advisable you set up a brand awareness ad. You don't get to sell using your brand awareness ad. Just teach your audience something about your product or about your niche so that in the future you can easily sell to them. This is how you build the know, like, trust factor. The next one you can do is to set up a video views ad. This is also the same as the other one. Set up a video views ad. Then after that, you switch to conversion. The next one is traffic. Send people to a sales letter. You're not directly selling them something. You're trying to build that audience. You're trying to build that traffic on your sales page. Then after that, you switch to a conversion ad. Have this in mind. You can combine 3 different ads campaign objectives. But since this video is for beginners, I love to keep it to only 2. The first one is either to build awareness about your product, either to validate your product, then you switch to a conversion ad. So that's it, guys. If you've watched this video to this point, I want to thank you for sticking by. Also, please remember to leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any questions you want me to touch, leave it in the comment section and I will answer you. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.